Today, me and Tristan are doing a Nerf battle. Game 1 is to shoot down the cups.
Go. Thing is, half these darts are broken. These are the good ones that I'm going to try to start with.
You're at 20 seconds.
There we go. I'll put knock down to one cup.
31 seconds. One minute.
I'm running out of good darts now. I'm going to have to start running to get darts.
Almost at 2 minutes.
There you go. Stop it.
1 minute, 54 seconds.
Go. And the first one's a miss.
What are these darts?
And a big shot. This one also might be hard. Like, I knocked down at least most of them with one dart. You hit. That was a lucky one. There we are, 25 seconds. That's a nice shot. One more cup with 40. With, I think, like a minute left. Well, yeah, you kind of destroyed my time.
Shoot that a little bit. What was it?
57.2 seconds.
I'll take it.
So, you won round 1.
Game 2, we're doing a 1v1.
Alright, we're doing a 1v1. He's starting over there. I'm starting over here. And we're going to see who wins. Ready, set, go.
Damn it.
You got it.
You got one hit. Rotating.
What?
Still miss. Okay. Dang it! You hit my finger. This is a lot. That one hit. Oh, yeah. Tristan won the first round of shooting down the cups. I won the second round. I think. I don't really know. No, 1v1. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.